Hey class 10, so let's start our today's class. So we started acid, base and salt, right? So today we'll talk about acid. So write down acids. So you're familiar with the word what you call sour taste, isn't it? Like if you take a lemon, if you taste lemon, then it tastes sour, isn't it? So acids are those substances or chemical substances which have a sour in taste. Okay, so write down acids are those chemical substances which have sour taste. So if you taste acid, it will give you sour taste. Okay, right? So now there is lemon, isn't it? So which acid is there, isn't it? So lemon contains citric acid. Okay, citric acid, whatever acid present in this lemon is called citric acid. Clear? So due to citric acid, lemon got sour taste. Clear? So acid also, there are so many types or so many variety of acids are there. Okay, so first is your organic acid, second one is your mineral acid. So organic acids are those acid which is present in plants and those acid which are present in plants and animal, right? And the word mineral, so those acid prepare from mineral, isn't it? So those acids are mineral acid. Okay, right? So now let's write organic acid. First one, you can write citric acid. There is tartaric acid, acetic acid, okay, carbonic acid, sorry, carbonic is your mineral acid, mineral carbonic acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. So these are mineral acid. From mineral we got this. So organic, this one, isn't it? Again we categorize this as another name, isn't it? So all the organic acid are called weak acid, and all the mineral acid are called strong acid, except this one, carbonic acid is your weak acid. Okay, one exception is there, so carbonic acid is your weak acid. Clear? So copy in your chemistry copy. So now we'll start concentrate acid and uh, dilute acid. Okay, so write down concentrate acid and dilute acid. So next topic is concentrate acid and dilute acid. Concentrate acid and dilute acid. So this will do in our lab, okay, how to dilute an acid, okay. So write down redo. Whenever school reopens, we'll do dilution of acid, okay, in lab. So we'll talk about concentrate acid, right? So concentrate acid are those acid, okay, which contain the minimum possible amount of water, okay. So write down a concentrate acid is one which contains the minimum and possible amount of water in it. So this is acid, okay. If you talk if you talk, these two are acid, okay. So one is concentrate, another is your dilute acid. So let us take an example. HCl, hydrochloric acid, okay. If you take out all the possible amount of water from HCl acid, we'll get concentrate, okay, concentrate acid. And if you add water, then we'll get dilute acid. Clear? So a concentrate acid is one which contains the minimum possible amount of water in it. Clear? So dilution of acid we'll do in a lab. So when school reopens, we'll do first. Note this one, okay, and we'll do in lab. So next we'll start properties of acid. So write down properties of acid. Up to here you understood, hope. So write down properties of acid. Properties of acids. So first property we already known, isn't it? Acid have sour taste. So write down acid have a sour taste. Next write down, next what we learned, acid turns blue litmus to red. As in it, whenever you dip or whenever you put the litmus in acid, it turns into red, blue litmus, okay. So next third, acid solution conduct electricity. Acid solution means mixed with water, okay, conduct electricity. So we'll talk later on this topic, okay. So first write this one. So next property of acid is acid react with metal to form hydrogen gas. Whenever acid reacts with metal, it forms hydrogen gas. Clear? So write down metal plus acid gives what it gives? Salt plus hydrogen gas. Clear? So take an example. Zinc is your metal. Acid, take any acid, sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid. So let's take sulfuric acid, H2SO4 gives salt, isn't it? ZnSO4 is our salt plus hydrogen gas. Clear? So this is why we cannot keep acid in a metal container. Clear? So why? Because it forms hydrogen gas. So juice, your lemon, we cannot, this food stuff we cannot store in a metal container. Why? Because it forms hydrogen gas, which is not suitable for having. So next 5 write down. Fifth properties is your metal reacts with metal reacts sorry, we are talking about acid, isn't it? So acid react with carbonates, okay, carbonates, okay, carbonates, bracket open, write down metal hydrogen carbonates to form what it forms? Carbon dioxide gas, okay, carbon dioxide gas. Whenever acid reacts with carbonates, that is your CO3 is your carbonate, isn't it? Metal carbonates, sorry, metal carbonates, it will form carbon dioxide gas. Or whenever acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate, it forms carbon dioxide gas. Remember this one, okay? So what it forms? Metal carbonate reacts with acid, gives salt plus carbon dioxide gas plus water. Clear? Next, metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with acid, also gives salt, carbon dioxide gas plus water. So one example we'll do, okay? This is the situation we mentioned here, isn't it? We wrote like this. So take one metal carbonate and acid. So for this, okay, metal sodium carbonate react with acid HCl, gives hydrochloric acid. This one is your hydrochloric acid, gives salt, isn't it? NaCl is your salt plus carbon dioxide gas plus water. So water is your liquid, okay? So balance the equation. So Na2 2HCl, 2NaCl. Clear? Balancing. Now next, metal hydrogen carbonate. So write down metal hydrogen carbonate reacts with, take same HCl as a acid, you'll get salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So this is your fifth properties of acid. Clear? So now we'll talk about, and this metal carbonate is a white precipitate huncha la, kasto huncha, white color. So next we have six properties of acid. Write down sixth properties of acid. So acid reacts with base. Base is also called alkalis, to form what it forms, to form salt and water. And this reaction is also called neutralization reaction. Okay, so acid plus base gives salt plus water. Clear? So let us take one example. So acid HCl is our acid, base, one simple base is your sodium hydroxide. Yad rakha, sodium hydroxide is our base, gives salt NaCl and water plus water. So this reaction is also called neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is reaction where acid reacts with base and forms or gives salt and water. Clear? So next property is acid reacts with 7 property atom. Acid reacts with salt. What happens? Okay, salt no, acid reacts with 7 properties of acid is acid reacts with metal oxide. Okay, metal oxide. What it gives? It gives to form, it forms salt and water. Salt and water. So metal acid, write down acid plus metal oxide. Clear? Metal oxide gives salt plus water. Right. So now take any metal oxide or acid. HCl is our acid. Metal oxide. Take any metal oxide. So copper oxide gives salt plus water. Salt plus water. So balance it. 2HCl, 2C. Sorry, no. This happens too. Now balance, isn't it? You know how to balance. Next, write down next properties of acid. So acid have corrosive nature. Acid have corrosive nature. It means that whenever you put acid, it will destroy your cloth, or it will destroy your utensil, or actually it burns the given material. Okay, so up to here today we'll do. Okay, so next class we have, again we'll talk in this acid. Okay, so this is property, what we discussed today, properties and types of acid, so very important. So that's it for today.